Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the Max Waters Very Easy Sudoku Volume 3. There's a link down in the description, or you can just search for it on Amazon. I do make a small commission from any purchases. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 117. If we start with this row, we're missing 6 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 6, 7. If we look at this box now, we're missing 2, 3, and 4. We've got 2 and 3 here, so this is our 4. 2 here, so 3, 2. For this column, we're missing 3, 4, and 5. We've got 3 and 4 here, so this is our 5. 3 here, so 4, 3. For this box now, we're missing 6, 8, and 9. We've got 6 and 9 here, so this is our 8. 6 here, so 9, 6. For this column now, we're missing 3 and 7. We've got a 3 here, so 7, 3. For this bottom row, we're missing 1, 5, and 7. We've got 1 and 7 here, so this is our 5. 1 here, so 7, 1. For this row, we're missing 4, 7, and 8. We've got 8 and 7 here, so this is our 4. That 8 makes this our 7, 8. For this box now, we're missing a 2. For this box, we're missing 3, 4, and 9. We've got 3 and 4 here, so this is our 9. 3 here, so 4, 3. For this row, we're missing 5, 6, and 8. We've got a 6 here, so 5, 8. No help here, 5, 6, 8. 5 here, so 6, 8. For this box, we're missing 5 and 8, so 5, 8. For this column, we're missing 1, 4, and 8. We've got a 1 here, so 4, 8. 4 here, so 1, 8. And no help here, 1, 4, 8. For this column, we're missing 2, 4, and 8. We've got a 2 here, so 4, 8. 4 here, so 2, 8. And no help here, 2, 4, 8. For this column, we're missing 5, 6, and 9. We've got 5 and 9 here, so this is our 6. 5 here, so 9, 5. For this column, we're missing 1, 5, 7, and 8. We've got 1 and 5 here, so 7, 8. 5 here, so 1, 7, 8. For this column, we're missing 5, 6, and 8. We've got 5 and 6 here, so this is our 8. 6 here, so 5, 6. That 6 makes this our 8, 5, 8. And with this 8, we can get rid of this 8 and this 8. For this column, we're missing 4, 7, and 9. We've got 4 and 9 here, so this is our 7. But I don't see any other help. So 4, 9, 4, 9. For this box now, we're missing 4 and 9, but we've got a 4 here, so that makes this our 9, 4, 9. And for this box now, we're missing 2 and 6. We've got a 2 here, so 6, 2. That 2 makes this our 4, 8, 2. And that 4 makes this our 1, 8, 4. And let's see, that 7 and that 8 makes this our 1, and that makes this our 7. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a really good day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.